At Access Softek, we're known for our mobile banking and our online banking products. We also have omnichannel lending and omnichannel account opening. We call that a package of 4 products, the 4 pillars of a financial institution's digital future. But we know that innovation never stops, and there's always a big opportunity around the corner. We've been keeping our eye for some time now on the robo-advisor market. We're very excited by it. We think it's a great opportunity. But we think there's one fatal flaw in how robo-advisors have been done to date. And that is that they are separate, standalone applications. And that makes for a poor user experience. It's tough to manage. It's tough to find a robo-advisor for most people. So what we're announcing today is the first robo-advisor specifically designed to be seamlessly integrated into any online banking or mobile banking application. So we're going to show you how that works with our products, but it is important to keep in mind that the integration is not limited to our products. So let's take a look at the integration. So you can see here the list of accounts, and you have your checking and savings, you have a auto loan, and you also have in the same list, you have your investment account color-coded in green. And this is far more convenient and easy to work with for the average user. Now let's suppose we want to drill down and take a look. It's simply a click to look at the asset distribution, and of course all this is done in typical robo-advisor style. And then it is an omni-channel product, so let's take a look at the mobile, and we can see the same functionality coming from a mobile device. So for the end user, this is extremely easy for them to discover, for them to work with and manage. And let's suppose, for example, we want to do a transfer. Let's go back to the online channel. And we're going to move some money from checking to investments. Well, it's the same workflow, the same logic, the same location as moving money from checking to savings or making a payment on your auto loan. So it's easy for people to discover, it's easy for people to manage, and the seamless integration that we're proposing here and showing has enormous benefit for the end user.
One additional thing that's important about the transfer is that the transfer all happens in real time. So the user perceives funds entering your investment account immediately. The funds are available, the funds are distributed, and there's no friction for the user in this part of the process, just like any other part of the process. The accounts, the transfers, the enrollments, completely frictionless for the user.
That's right. So the integration on the front end for the end user, extremely simple, easy to discover, easy to work with, same logic as what they're used to, same location they're used to. Now let's go to the admin tool, because we've also done a seamless integration on the back end. So this is one admin tool that you use for managing your banking accounts, your loans, account opening, and now also investments. Let's suppose we wanted to target an ad to everybody who does not have an investment account, and we can propose that they should open an investment account. All we have to do is create a group, and the group will be everybody who's missing an investment account. Once we have the group, then it becomes an easy matter to track analytics on that group, target ads to that group, to perform all sorts of operations on everybody who does or who does not have an investment account. Now we're logging in as a user who does not have an investment account, and let's see what happens. So there's a banner ad. That banner ad is targeting the user because they do not have an investment account, advertising that, hey, you should have an investment account. And if we had more time, we could show how clicking on this banner ad would give you a seamless flow into opening your investment account and creating your profile. So again, integrating investments and a robo-advisor seamlessly into online and mobile banking. Okay, so why are we so excited about this? Well, one reason is that the aggregate assets of credit unions, for example, $1.4 trillion. The value of the stock market, $33 trillion. So we think that the opportunity here is enormous for community banks and credit unions to take advantage of the fact that they have a trusted relationship with many, many people who are members. And for our 400 financial institutions, we have about 5 million users, and I bet most of those users have never even heard of a robo-advisor. So we're going to be bringing a new opportunity to a large number of people. It's also the case that people need to save for retirement. People need to save for paying off educational loans. So an investment account is going to be a very important service for community banks and credit unions to offer. And with that, I'd say come visit us at our booth, and we'll be happy to discuss it with you further. Thank you.